cap index is down 0.8%. It's higher than again, it's higher decline than what it was anticipated when you looked at the day's high. The small cap index down about 0.5, and if you just pull up the breadth, at the start the breadth was good, and then it suddenly just converged, and really the breadth also gave it up. So that's essentially what has happened. IT, of course, you can see the IT index was in green. HCL Tech report numbers post-market hours, so that's broadly what you're seeing at this point of time. Now when we look at some of the losers, some of the gainers, so Indiabulls Housing, that's definitely a stock which needs mention. 14% lower, 444 for that name, and it's on the back of numbers, it's on the back of management commentary. Indiabulls Ventures down 6%, Indiabulls Real Estate down about 16%. Bank of Baroda down 6%, 97 for Bank of Baroda, so that's a name which is again going down. M&M on the numbers were not that bad, but really when the stock goes down, it just goes down. 516 for that name, 6% decline, again a very, very sharp cut, and mind you, it's a very large name. Tata Steel 5% down, numbers now of course coming in only post-market hours. Motherson Sumi is now below 100 rupees at 97. BPCL is down 4%, Tata Motors is down 4%, SBI back to the levels of 290. DMart, there's an announcement that the promoter will sell about a % stake in the company. The stock is down 3%. United Phosphorus Limited is down 3%. Eicher Motors 16,400. Piramal Enterprise 57 rupees down. 1661 for that name. Vedanta down about 3%, 136. JSW Steel down 2%. Concor 483, Siemens, IOC, Axis Bank, L&T Finance, ITC are some of the other losers. Reliance down 22, and again if you look at Reliance, it opened at the day's high and then closed probably at the day's lowest point. Bandhan Bank down 1%, Pidilite down about 1.5%. Numbers came out yesterday during this time.
Yeah, and you had the numbers be pretty impressive. Aside of that, the management commentary was quite nice. Yesterday the stock held out, but today you're seeing that bit of a dip down. The bigger problem, I think, is with these financial names. Diwan Housing, Indiabulls Housing, RBL Bank. RBL Bank is down a good 9%. Vishwavir Ahuja was here in our studios to analyze the policy, and he said that they'll manage to stick by with the NPA projection for FY20 of 2.1 odd percent. But that doesn't seem to be really helping their case. 9% down now for RBL Bank as we speak. The strength today has been really in spots, and Arvind has held out. Z has been a winner from the word go today. Mindtree has held out quite okay. And yes, Lupin Cipla reacted to their numbers. Both those stocks have gone home winners. The breadth has completely reversed in favor of the declines, and you've got names like PNB, Jubilant Foodworks, M&M. They've all closed in with losses.